What's going on? What's going on, world? And my Team Collision family. My name is Joey Riggins, also known as Joey Perfect Time Riggins. And no, I didn't give myself that name. That was given to me by other colleagues in the industry. These are my 5B signature Collision drumsticks that I'm proud to be endorsee of the Collision Drumsticks family. This is a durable stick. I play various types of genres of music, but this stick helps me to really dig in. I play various styles, but funk is what I've made my living doing for about the last 43 years. So I need something that's going to last, be durable, and look good too. I mean, Collision did a great job on my sticks, and I'm very proud to be an endorsee of this company. Mr. Carlton Banks, I'm humbled. I'm deeply humbled to be a part of this company. Going to play a little bit for you and just kind of show you what these sticks are made of. Peace.